everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can change the size as well as the color of our mouse cursor or mouse pointer in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings, and we can do that by simply making a click here in our Windows icon and go to settings option. So once we're in the settings window, please go and look for accessibility options. And once found, please make a click on it, and here you will find for the other options that you can change. Under vision section, you will see the text size, the visual effects, the mouse pointer and touch, the text cursor, magnifier, the color filters, and the contrast themes, as well as the narrator options. And in here under vision, we will click on this arrow for the mouse pointer and touch option. Okay, so here under mouse pointer, you will see the mouse style options. This one, which is white, this is for black, and this is for inverted options, and this is for the custom options. So you can also change the size of your mouse pointer by changing this option here. You can enlarge it or you can make it smaller. So here under touch indicator, you can also change the options, show a circle on the screen where I touch it. You can turn this on or off. So let's go again to the mouse pointer options. So here we can choose for whether it's black or it's white. So let me change this to black, and for the size you can also make it bigger for clearer vision or clear visual of the mouse pointer. And for the custom, we can change another color or give another color with our mouse pointer, whether you can choose purple or also yellow, orange, pink, blue, and green. Okay, so it's up to you. So let me try this green one here, and let me just adjust the size. Okay, so that's good. So as you can see, you can clearly see the pointer in my screen. So did you find this video helpful? If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.